Good afternoon, everybody. It's NCP. It's been a while since I made a video, so I wanted to update you guys on what's going on. So, the health things are mostly resolved, I guess. Now, one thing I want to comment is I have been given a new medication, Ozempic, for diabetes, and it has been fantastic for my diabetes. Everything's pretty much under control, and I'm still on initial dose. I've had 4 doses. I never got the nausea or anything, but I have noticed the weight loss, which wasn't the goal, it's just a side effect. It's been really quite fantastic. Now, enough of the health stuff. That's boring. No one wants to hear it. No one cares. I don't want to hear it. Anyway, 1 second. All right, sorry I had to call. I haven't really been doing anything prepper-like or homesteader-like. I've been working and reading, so in my spare time I read a book or whatever, or articles. So what I'm going to do, and this is kind of filler material, and I kind of hate to say that, but unless I'm actively doing something like a project, which I have a lot to do, I just don't have the time. I got to be at work here in like an hour, so when I read a book, I'm gonna give book reports on different books. One I'm reading now is a health book called Built from Broken, and I'll put a link to it below when I get a chance. Basically, it's for older men like over 40 or 50, and you've had a lot of problems like joint and back and whatever, and it's about rebuilding your body through exercise. So I'm using that to do my workout routines at home on the gym, a cable machine. So I do all the things, but I'll do this in another book report and explain more about it later, or when I finish it. But it's a good book, and so far I like it. But I read a lot of books, a lot. You know, every chance I get, I'm reading something or listening to an audiobook or something, trying to expand my mind, because knowledge doesn't take up any space and doesn't weigh anything. So the more you know, the better you are prepared to deal with things and scenarios. So that's what I'm doing a lot of right now. So, dog. So that's pretty much what's been going on here. Not a lot of things, just yard work and maintenance. I'm still going to put the grease fittings and the spindles for the lawnmower, haven't did that. Just a lot of things that need to be done, and I will get to them. But sometimes I'll film a little bit and continue it later if I've started doing the grease spindles. Like tonight when I get home from work, I'm going to clean them up and get ready and probably disassemble them. So that'll be a little video or a little part of a video. I'm not going to just flood the channel like a bunch of shorts. Oh, here's how you clean a spindle burn. With some parts washer. Nobody wants to see that. It's not relevant, but it'll be in the big video, so I'll be cleaning it and I'll just speed through it, and then I'll throw the parts or bearings in the ultrasonic cleaner and clean all them out and see if they're salvageable or see what they are. Then I'll order new ones if I need to, which I think one's loose, so I think it does. And then I'll just wait on that, so you don't have to sit there and, part 2 is coming up. It's like, no, here's the video, and that's what we have to do, through time lapse. It'll magically appear, and then I'll just continue the video. So some videos are like that, they're just taking a long time. But that's what's going on, and that's pretty much it. Just kind of more like a channel update than anything else. And like I said, the Ozempic is fantastic. I've noticed a lot of positive effects. Weight loss being one of them, diabetes being the important one. Just other things. I don't know, just I'm at peace, It's just kind of want to hold on to that without any stresses or problems or any type of that stuff. Just be, and it's kind of nice to just be and not worry about things, or not worry about things that are out of your control anyway. And you make health choices. Those are in your control, some of them, or you can choose to mitigate the damage it is, like what I'm doing with health and diet, and exercise. I don't know if I mentioned I got a new exercise bike, but I'll do a gym update. I don't know, maybe today, maybe not. I don't know, we'll see. Maybe when I get home from work tonight, I'll do a quick gym update. And that's pretty much it. Alright guys, this is NCP. You have a great weekend. Alright, later.